The story begins long ago. A man named Valentine lived in Rome. He was a Christian priest. It was the 3rd century, around 270 AD. The Roman emperor was Claudius II. He wanted strong soldiers. He believed young men should not marry. He thought marriage made soldiers weak. But Valentine helped people. He helped Christians. He helped couples. He wanted people to be happy. But, because of his faith, Valentine was arrested. He went to prison. He stayed kind. He helped people in prison. He was brave. He stayed strong. He never gave up on helping others. On February 14th, around 269 AD, Valentine was executed. He died for his faith. People remembered him. The Catholic Church made him a saint. Years passed. People wanted to honor him. February 14th became a special day, a day to remember love. At first, it was about faith and kindness. Later, people added gifts, flowers, cards, chocolates. It became Valentine's Day. Today, Valentine's Day is celebrated worldwide, not only for couples, also for friends, also for family, also for kindness to everyone. Love is not just about gifts. Love is about caring. Love is about respect. Love is about small actions. A smile. A kind word. Prayer. Helping someone. All these are love. So remember St. Valentine today. Show love to people around you. Show love to yourself. Be kind every day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Love is simple. Love is powerful. Love changes the world.